G'day and welcome back to the Aussie Motorhome and RV Show. Powered by RV3D, Australia's custom 3D printing specialists for caravans, motorhomes and RVs. Find them at rv3d.com.au. This is Series 3, Episode 1, and it's great to be back with you. Episode 1. Motorhome maintenance, what to check before every trip. The most expensive breakdown is the one that could have been prevented. Pre-trip maintenance is the unglamorous but essential part of RV travel that separates travelers who stay on the road from those who spend their trip waiting for parts in a regional town. Tires first. Check pressure when cold. Tires expand when warm and give a false reading. Check tread depth. 1.5 millimeters is the legal minimum in Australia, but significantly more is recommended for remote travel. Inspect sidewalls for cracks, bulges, or damage. Check spare tires too. A flat spare discovered 200 kilometers from town is a problem that pre-trip inspection would have prevented. Wheel nuts. Check torque after the first 50 to 100 kilometers following any wheel removal. This is standard practice that many travelers skip. Loose wheel nuts are a genuine safety hazard. Fluids. Engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, windscreen washer. 5 minutes to check. Catastrophic failures prevented. Brakes. If you're not mechanically confident, have them inspected by a mechanic annually or before any major trip. Lights. Walk around the rig with someone watching. All indicators, brake lights, reversing lights, running lights, and if towing, all trailer lights. Gas systems. Check all LPG connections for leaks using soapy water. Bubbles indicate a leak. Inspect hoses for cracks or deterioration. Check the gas detector inside the rig is functional. LPG systems should be professionally inspected periodically. Check your state's requirements. Water systems. Check for leaks at all connections, particularly after winter or long storage. Check the hot water system for correct operation. Flush the tank if the rig has been sitting. The plastic fittings inspection. As covered in Series 1, small plastic components are often the first to fail, particularly after storage where UV and temperature cycling has continued working on them. A thorough inspection of latches, catches, brackets and clips before departure catches failures before they happen. RV3Ds, PETG replacement parts are available for common failure points. rv3d.com.au. Battery systems. Check terminals for corrosion. Verify state of charge. Test the system under load. For lithium systems, verify BMS function through your monitoring system. Keep a pre-trip checklist. Checklists prevent the human tendency to skip items when you're excited to leave. 2 minutes per item is trivial compared to the cost of a preventable breakdown in the field. Next episode, water systems. Everything from tanks to pumps to hot water and grey water management. This has been the Aussie Motorhome and RV Show, powered by RV3D. For custom 3D printed parts built for Australian conditions, visit rv3d.com.au. That's rv3d.com.au. Safe travels, and we'll see you next episode.